Hello, kids. Okay, now you have to color or circle all the pictures that begin with the sound of the letter Y. Okay? Remember that the sound of the letter Y is ya, ya, ya. Okay? Good. So, does the word walrus, walrus, walrus begin with the sound ya, ya? Does the word yogurt, yogurt, yogurt begin with the sound ya, ya, ya? Does the word yarn, yarn, yarn begin with the sound ya, ya, ya? The next one. Does the word watering can begin with the sound ya, ya? Does the word watering can begin with the sound ya, ya? Does the word tease, tease, tease begin with the sound ya, ya? Does the word yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo begin with the sound ya, ya? Does the word starfish, starfish, starfish begin with the sound ya, ya? Does the word yak, yak, yak begin with the sound ya, ya, ya? Does the word bee begin with the sound ya? Does the word bee, bee begin with the sound ya, ya? Does the word yum, yum, patata, yum begin with the sound ya, ya? Does the word whistle, whistle, whistle begin with the sound ya, ya, ya? Does the word strawberries, strawberries, strawberries begin with the sound ya, ya? Okay, very good.